Highways are important because they connect people and goods, which helps the economy grow. Goa's focus on revamping its infrastructure, the road network has taken center stage for the government and authorities. This includes widened highways, elevated roads, and sea bridges, which together have formed a seamless link and advanced landscape for surrounding development on the National Highway 66, which runs through the state. You know the day when Atal Setu was opened? It changed our lives. Now, what if I tell you that there are so many highways that are built in Goa? It gives us some amazing view and scenic beauty. You don't know, right? And today we have come to show you the exclusive view of it. Come, let's take a tour. The Indian government, led by Road Transport and Highways Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari, has initiated a major infrastructure project to enhance connectivity in Goa. Goa is currently seeing significant improvements in its road infrastructure. Let us show you how. The Margao Bypass. The all-new Margao Bypass is a New Year gift for Goa. By lightening traffic congestion in Margao and enhancing north-south connectivity, the road provides seamless travel for commuters and boosts regional development. This western bypass is a part of a bigger plan to decongest traffic along the Karnataka-Maharashtra National Highway. The Manohar Parrikar Kankona Bypass. This highway reduces a distance of 21 kilometers to just 7 kilometers and shows how the world-class infrastructure of Vikasit Bharat can transform the travel experience in rural Goa. The Mopa Link Road. This is a significant boost to regional infrastructure. The 6.7 kilometer long controlled access corridor is a key infrastructure project aimed at providing a direct and efficient route between the new airport and the mainland. The Pernam to Porvorim Highway. This road is the direct access to Pernam, allowing direct entry to the Mopa Link Road. The Atal Setu. The Atal Setu Goa was introduced by Goa's former Chief Minister, late Shri Manohar Parrikar, with the aim to reduce traffic congestion throughout the city and was executed under his guidance. This bridge is designated to late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, India's former Prime Minister. The Atal Setu Goa Bridge interlinks two cities of Goa, Porvorim and Panji. It contains 4 lanes of NH66 across the Mandavi River. It is also known as the third largest bridge in India, which is 5.1 kilometers long. The Zuari Bridge. The network, spanning a total length of 13.3 kilometers, connects the north and south of Goa, while further opening nearly 150 kilometers of the advanced carriageway in total, with its neighboring states of Maharashtra in north and Karnataka to its south. The Baina Road. The highway is a 7.8 kilometer long stretch of NH17B, including an elevated road from Ravindra Bhavan Junction to Marmugua Port Trust. The project is one of its kind, as it is with a cable-stayed bridge on a road overbridge constructed on a curve. It is a port connectivity 4-lane road from Varunapuri to the Sada Junction stretch of NH17B and provides direct and quick and efficient routes between the two destinations. According to Goa's Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, half of the tourism infrastructure required for the future is ready, with opening of the parallel Zuari Bridge and Atal Setu, added with the opening of the Manohar International Airport. This is the vision of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the hard work of our state government. And as a Goan, it feels proud to see this kind of infrastructure, and I cannot wait to see the future, how it will look like. So till then, see you soon.